The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Spencer County in central Kentucky, central Shelby County in central Kentucky, northwestern Woodford County in central Kentucky, northwestern Anderson County in central Kentucky, east central Jefferson County in central Kentucky, western Franklin County in central Kentucky, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado was located near Taylorsville, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those who are caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Shelbyville around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Frankfort. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for portions of north-central Kentucky. This is a particularly dangerous situation.
This is the Jefferson County Emergency Operations Center, with a special weather statement. Eastern Jefferson County is under a tornado warning until p.m. I repeat, Eastern Jefferson County is under a tornado warning until 9 p.m. Jefferson County Emergency Operations declared.